Hello everyone, it's Stephanie here with a brand new review for the My Favorite Things May card kit, Greetings from the Couch. The Greetings from the Couch card kit encompasses all your favorite things about home in one convenient kit. When you need a greeting that's just as cozy and heartwarming as the card you've created, Couch Potato is the answer. This selection of sentiments ranges from fun and silly to heartfelt and earnest, with each one being a perfect complement to scenes that revolve around the idea of home. Each phrase features a pretty mix of fonts that pair beautifully together and highlight any design to which you add them. Fundamental Furnishings has all the essentials necessary to begin filling up a scene. In addition to a rug to provide a grounding spot for your tableau, this die set also features a coffee table, a side table, and 2 lamp options. A separate lampshade can be paired with either lamp base to add character and contrast. A handful of houseplants breathes life into a home, and this selection of pots and plants is perfect for invigorating your scenes with vitality. Take your pick of 5 different planter options and exercise your green thumb by planting any of the iconic green options. Add some comfort to your homey scenes with this duo of upholstered seating options. A chair and sofa each feature base legs, seating, and a separate cushion to let you mix and match your finishes and palettes. 2 decorative pillows and an artfully draped throw provide additional color and texture. The pattern and texture you welcome into your home say a lot about who you are and what your preferences are. From hard surfaces like walls and floors to the softer side of things like the fabrics you opt to showcase on your drapes and furnishings, there are a lot of decisions to make. Fortunately, when it comes to paper scenes, you can take your pick of a dozen delightful designs. This month's kit also features a great selection of cardstock, including 1 sheet each of smooth white, cement gray, black licorice, craft, Moroccan spice, candied yam, butterscotch, sour apple, jalapeno popper, summer splash, and cornflower. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything included in the Greetings from the Couch card kit. This kit includes a great assortment of cardstock colors to create your scenes, the 4x6 Couch Potato stamp set, and 3 different Dynamics die sets, including Fundamental Furnishings, Potted Plants, and Take a Seat. The kit also includes the 6x6 Finishes and Textiles paper pad, which can be used to decorate your scene in a variety of ways. The newest free with 60 releasing with this month's kit is called Decor and More. From books and baubles to shelves and frames, you'll find so much enjoyment in flexing your designer muscles with this incredibly versatile assortment. Bring color, style, and character to your scenes with this expansive set. We also have the new Picture Window Dynamics available for purchase separately. Windows bring a light to our home and provide a glimpse of a magical world just outside our doorstep, and creating a similar feeling on our cards is possible with this newest Dynamics die. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick look at all of the new products featured in the new May card kit, Greetings from the Couch. This kit will be releasing on May 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern at My Favorite Things. We hope you enjoy all of the new products and can't wait to see what you create. Please tag your projects with MFT stamps so we can see what you're creating on social media. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.